First, we're going to start by setting up the mold. For this, place 3 cinder blocks and a few bricks in a rough arrangement. This setup will act as the outer mold for our rustic concrete light. Don't worry about making it perfectly straight or neat. A slightly uneven setup actually helps give the light that raw handmade look. Just make sure everything is stable and won't shift once we start pouring the concrete. Next, add a layer of sand at the bottom of the mold. This step is important because it stops the cement from sticking to the base. Spread the sand evenly and lightly press it down so it stays in place. After that, add more sand and begin shaping it to form the inside of the light. This sand will create the hollow space inside the concrete. Take your time shaping it, because whatever shape you give the sand is what the inside of the light will look like. All of the sand will be removed later, so think of it as a temporary mold. Now let's mix the concrete. In a bucket or container, combine sand, cement, and gravel. Mix the dry materials first, so everything is well blended. Then slowly add water while mixing. You're aiming for a thick but pourable mixture, not too dry and not too runny. It should flow smoothly but still hold its shape once poured. Once the mixture is ready, place a pipe into the sand mold. Push it in so half of the pipe is buried in the sand and the other half will be covered by concrete. This pipe will create a channel for the electrical wire later, so make sure it's positioned where you want the wire to come out. Now start pouring the concrete mixture into the mold. Go slowly and carefully, filling it about halfway. Pouring gently helps keep the sand shape from collapsing. When you reach the halfway point, place 2 pieces of rustic iron rods into the concrete. These rods add strength to the structure and also give the light a more industrial, rugged feel. Press them slightly so they sit firmly inside the concrete. After that, pour the remaining concrete mixture until the mold is completely filled. Lightly tap the sides of the mold to release any trapped air bubbles. You don't need to smooth it too much. Small imperfections add to the rustic style. Once done, leave the concrete to set for 24 hours. Try not to move or disturb it during this time. After 24 hours, carefully remove the cinder blocks and bricks. Start removing the sand from inside the concrete light holder. Take your time so you don't damage the edges. Rinse the piece with water to wash away any remaining sand and reveal the natural concrete texture. Once it's clean and dry, insert the wire and light holder through the pipe. Connect everything and turn it on. The final result is a solid rustic concrete light with a beautiful handmade finish.